Welcome back to the Spicy 100. This is question 5. This one is a hot tamale. Let's go. The recommended time for question 5 is 5 minutes. It is a non-calculator question. Solve the equation x to the power of 4 subtract 4x squared plus 2 equals 0. Giving your answers, giving your solutions as exact values in ascending numerical order. Once you've read the question carefully, you feel like you're ready to go, you've got your timer ready. If you want to pause the video, and best of luck with Spicy 100 number 5. In this example, we have what's called a quartic equation. It's got x to the power of 4 in it. But actually, with a simple substitution, we can actually turn this into a quadratic. So I often call these related quadratics. So in our equation we have x to the power of 4 subtract 4x squared plus 2. So it looks a bit like a quadratic but not quite. Now if we use this trick that x squared using the rules of indices, multiply these together, is x to the power of 4. So effectively what we've got here is x squared minus 4x squared plus 2 equals 0. And so it is in the format of a quadratic equation. Now sometimes in these examples it's good to do a substitution. So I like the letter u. So what I'm going to do is say let u equal x squared. And then this is going to turn our equation into u squared minus 4u plus 2 equals 0. So now if we solve our equation for u, we can then in turn find x. I'm going to use complete the square to do this. So we're going to get u subtract 2 squared, so we halve the negative 4, and then we're going to take away 2 squared, so minus 4 plus 2 equals 0. Rearrange this, we'll get u subtract 2 squared equals, so we've got negative 2, take it over. So u subtract 2 is going to be the square root of 2. Now when we square root, we have to remember our plus and minus for our two solutions. And finally, we get u is equal to plus the 2 over, so 2 plus or minus the square root of 2. Keeping it with our roots because we want exact values. So we found u as an exact value, but remember u is equal to x squared. So that implies, so this then implies that x squared must be equal to 2 plus or minus root 2. So this implies that x must be equal to the square root of 2 plus or minus root 2. So again we need to include our positive and negative solutions. So within these positives and negatives twice, we're actually going to end up with 4 different solutions. We now need to put our 4 solutions here in ascending numerical order. So we're going to start with the most negative. So we're going to get x equals negative the root of 2 plus root 2. Then we're going to have negative 2 subtract root 2. Now we go to the smallest positive solution, which will be root 2 subtract root 2. So the largest in ascending numerical order will be the square root of 2 plus root 2. And they are your 4 solutions in ascending numerical order. So that was the Spicy 100 question 5. Hope you enjoyed that one. Again, if you're feeling confident, crack on with question 6.